This section contains 14 carefully selected questions covering Part A of Governance and Management Domain. We will take our time to go through each question, understand what it is really testing, and examine all the answer options to see why one is correct and why the others are not. The goal is not just to pick answers, but to build strong reasoning, reinforce key information system audit concepts, and help you think like an information systems auditor in real exam situations. By the end of this review, you should feel more confident, better prepared, and clearer about how to approach similar questions in the actual exam. The primary reason information system auditors must understand applicable laws and regulations is: Option A, to design new compliance controls. That's management's responsibility. Option B, to assess whether the organization is compliant. Correct, auditors test compliance. Option C, to enforce disciplinary actions. Belongs to HR management. Option D, to avoid personal liability, not the professional purpose. Correct answer, B, assess compliance. The auditor is like a health inspector. They check if the restaurant follows hygiene laws, not write recipes. An organization operating in multiple countries is most likely to face which audit challenge? Option A, consistent application of international laws. Correct, cross-border regulations can conflict. Option B, insufficient IT resources. Possible, but not the main regulatory challenge. Option C, lack of user awareness, more of a training issue. Option D, outdated audit software, not related to law. Correct answer, A, consistent application of international laws. Like driving across countries, each one has different road rules. Which best reflects the auditor's role in IT governance? Option A, developing the IT strategy. That's management's job. Option B, providing assurance on alignment with business goals. Correct? That's the auditor's role. Option C, approving it budgets. Responsibility of board management. Option D, designing the governance framework. Belongs to management. Correct answer, B, providing assurance on alignment with business goals. The auditor is like a navigator checking if the car is on the right route, not setting the destination. Who is ultimately accountable for IT governance within an organization? Option A, the CIO, accountable for IT operations, not governance. Option B, the board of directors. Correct, governance is their responsibility. Option C, the IT steering committee, they advise but do not own accountability. Option D, the information system auditor, only provides assurance. Correct answer, B, the board of directors. The board is the captain of the ship. They are ultimately responsible for where it sails. The primary purpose of IT policies is to: Option A, provide detailed step-by-step instructions. That's procedures. Option B, establish high-level principles and direction. Correct, that's the purpose of policies. Option C, ensure regulatory compliance. That's an outcome, not the definition. Option D, enforce disciplinary measures handled by HR management. Correct answer, B, establish high-level principles and direction. Policies are house rules, while procedures are the chores list. Why must policies, standards, and procedures be regularly reviewed? Option A, to reduce audit findings. That's a side effect, not the goal. Option B, to keep aligned with business and regulatory changes. Correct, they must evolve with change. Option C, to shorten training time, not the main purpose. Option D, to simplify IT operations, a byproduct, not the reason. Correct answer, B, to stay aligned with business and regulatory changes. Like renewing your driver's license, rules need updates to stay valid. The main objective of enterprise architecture, EA, is Option A, to define technical configurations, too narrow and tactical. Option B, to align IT capabilities with business objectives. Correct, that's EA's purpose. Option C, to manage audit testing scope. Irrelevant. Option D, to enforce data classifications. That's governance, not EA. Correct answer, B. Align it with business objectives. EA is the blueprint ensuring the house, IT, is built for the family's needs, business. Which EA framework is most commonly referenced in information system audit? Option A, COBIT, that's governance. Option B, TOGAF, correct, it's the global EA standard. Option C, HITIL, that's service management. Option D, Six Sigma, that's process improvement. Correct answer, B, TOGAF. Enterprise architecture is TOGAF, governance is COBIT, service is HITIL. Remember this trio. The primary objective of ERM is Option A, to eliminate all risks, impossible. Option B, to align risk appetite with business objectives, correct, that's the purpose of ERM. Option C, to focus only on IT risks, ERM is enterprise-wide. Option D, to ensure all policies are enforced, not ERM's role. Correct answer, B, align risk appetite with business objectives. ERM is like setting the speed limit, how much risk the organization is willing to take. Who owns risk management in an organization? Option A, information system auditors. They only assure. Option B, management and the risk function. Correct, they own risk. Option C, regulators. They oversee, not own. Option D, the board alone. They set tone but don't own daily management. Correct answer, B, management and the risk function. Management is the driver of the car. Auditors check if they are driving safely. The primary purpose of a privacy program is to Option A, ensure compliance with data protection laws. Correct. Option B, limit business use of customer data. Too restrictive. Option C, prevent all data breaches. Impossible. Option D, shift accountability to IT. Wrong. Correct answer, A, ensure compliance with data protection laws. Privacy programs are like traffic laws. They define safe handling of personal data. Which principle underpins most global privacy laws, e.g., GDPR? Option A, data minimization. Correct, collect only what's necessary. Option B, unlimited data retention. Opposite of compliance. Option C, data ownership by IT. Wrong, individuals retain rights. Option D, mandatory encryption of all data. Not always required. Correct answer, A, data minimization. Only pack what you need in your travel bag. Don't carry extra. The primary purpose of data classification is to Option A, ensure consistent data formats. That's data quality. Option B, apply security controls based on sensitivity. Correct. Option C, improve database performance. Unrelated. Option D, enforce backup frequency. Different objective. Correct answer, B, apply security controls based on sensitivity. Labeling files as public or confidential tells you how to protect them. Who is most responsible for ensuring accurate data classification? Option A, IT operations. They enforce, not decide. Option B, data owners. Correct, they know the sensitivity. Option C, information system auditors. They verify only. Option D, regulators. They set rules, not classify. Correct answer, B, data owners.